In the last 2 months, research on this COVID-19 disease has revealed that this infection is spreading more rapidly in men than women. Due to this, the number of men affected by it is also high, and deaths from this are also higher among men. There has been a lot of research on this in the last few days. So in this video, we will find that which is the reason that this is happening. Now, it is not the case that this virus targets a fixed gender or a fixed age group, but older men have been more affected by this who already had a disease. And all over the world, it has been found that 58.1% of the total cases are male, while women are only 41.9%. So this means that men are getting a bit more affected, and the same applies in the deaths. In countries like Italy, 70% of the total deaths are male. This infection in men and women was going to observe since March. And also there was a study on this in March, in which only number based on gender were focused. This study was published in Lancet newspaper. There was also a study related to this in China, which had a data of almost all the hospitals in China. It also shows that the fatality rate and the mortality rate of men are higher than women. Recently, another study of European Heart Journal has come out. This study has been done on the data of 11 countries in Europe. In this, researchers have given the exact reason that men are getting more infected, and the reason is H2 protein. The conclusion of this study is that there is a very big difference between men and women. When the blood of corona infected men was examined, there was a higher concentration of H2 protein than women. And this H2 protein can be a reason that the virus quickly infected healthy cells in men. The full form of H2 protein is angiotensin converting enzyme. And we know that this H2 protein helps coronavirus enter the cells. Now, if we look at a human cell, it contains a cell membrane, and on the outer surface of this cell is H2 protein, which acts as one of the receptors. And these receptors are connected with coronavirus, which gives them entry into the cell wherever it releases its RNA, and then the virus starts making its own duplicates. By the way, this virus is present in all parts of the body, but it is present in large amount in lungs and kidneys. Now, since men have testes, that's why the amount of H2 protein is higher in men than women, and this reason is explained in this study. Now, this study can help us in making a vaccine. If we stop the attachment of H2 protein and the coronavirus, then the virus will not be able to enter the cell, and the virus will not be able to duplicate itself. The doctors are working on this method. Apart from this, a study of Western Journal of Emergency Medicine was also published. This study proposed that male have XY chromosome while female have XX chromosome, and immunity related genes are present in the X chromosome. That's why the women are less infected by coronavirus. On one hand, there is the fact that men smoke more than women, so their lungs are already weak. So when virus attacks the lungs, they are easily infected and also take more time to recover. On other hand, women smoke less, so their immune system is also stronger and they don't get infected quickly. So there are many reasons why women are getting less infected than men. So this is the end of this video. Thank you.